learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. All right, it's the month of April right now, and this month we're teaching you a phrase when you're feeling unwell or uncomfortable. You say 不舒服啊 Alice, 不舒服怎么说？
我很舒服啦。你要问说客家话
对啦，对对 ，Alice
我没有不舒服。
请问一下 Alice， 客语不舒服怎么说？
某怂怂
啊，某怂怂，所以你刚刚讲你怂怂，但某怂怂就变不舒服了。
对，
好像讲不舒服就要这样子，好病恹恹哦。
某怂怂啦。
某怂怂 that means I'm uncomfortable, I'm not feeling well, OK？ 好，通常不舒服就是感冒了啦，
对，就会咳嗽，
就会听到人家咳嗽就会问
你怎么在咳嗽呢？
对 ，So let's say you have a cough and someone is asking you, Are you okay? Are you feeling okay? 你怎么在咳嗽 First of all, why are you coughing?
走马给地给出。
走马给地给出哦，出就是咳嗽咯。哦，出 just one word means coughing, okay? Why are you coughing? 哎呀，因为喉咙不舒服啊。怎么说呢？
爱后脸某怂怂。
哦，爱后脸某怂怂 ，OK？ 爱后脸某怂怂，某怂怂就是不舒服。我们又教了另外一个身体的部位叫喉咙了。
喉咙，后脸。
后脸 okay, that is your throat, okay? My throat is a little itchy, it's a little unwell, then you would say that my throat is not comfortable. 哎呀，那应该要戴一下口罩啊。
对，
其实有时候我们咳嗽或有点小感冒都忘记了，这个时候很容易传染。
尤其在公共场所要戴口罩。
对，而且有些女生还喜欢戴口罩当做造型嘞。
有啊，各种造型都有。
All right, so put on a mask, okay? 戴一下口罩吧。
戴一下。
戴一下。
唔做嘢好。
唔做嘢好。
戴一下唔做嘢好。
哦，唔做嘢就是口罩咯。就是捂住嘴巴的意思，对不
对
？Yeah, cover your mouth, but it actually means a mask. 唔做嘢 ，OK？
可是我记得要戴一下口罩吧。
是的，好，我们来这个复习一下几个单字。咳嗽，
促
，that's coughing. Your throat， 喉咙，
后脸，
后脸 ，and finally the mask， 口罩，
唔做嘢，
唔做嘢。Okay, that's a mask. All right, and it's all about teaching you how to ask someone or care about someone when they're not feeling well. You say 不舒服吗？或不舒服怎么说？
某怂怂。
某怂怂。And now you know, and I hope you feel better soon. That is today's Practical Hakka.
是么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.